Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Bionic Badger here, and yeah, I am opening this tin right here, the Venusaur EX Pokemon. Oh, by the way, that's my drink. Nothing. You don't see nothing. Nothing. That's my pop item. So yeah, we're opening this bad boy today, and yeah, give me a second to set up my camera. Alright, pop vinyl moving here. Okay, so let's see if I can open this. I'm gonna move these to one side because it'll be easier to open this like this. I'm struggling. Okay, I did it. So there that baby is in person. Well, not in person for you guys, but let's open this up. I didn't just pop this. It popped in flying. Okay. So let's take this out. Take everything out. As you can see, there's nothing there now. See, most of it is just like big, empty stuff. That's why it's so big. So now we can go like this. Jesus. Go boop. Boopity. No, I'm just gonna put these like that. Okay. See? So there are 4 packs. Here's the code for the Venusaur EX. Okay. Now, time to get this baby out. These things are so hard to get out. My first Venusaur EX. Okay, that's good. So we can put this back here. So I need to move this way. Just a bit down. Okay. So last evolutions, 2 evolutions, 2 fatal, oh, 1 fatal Clyde and break point. So let's start with fatal Clydes. So we're mainly going for another EX in this set because seriously, ooh, it's nice art. It's really nice art. And some nice damage too. So yeah. I'm not gonna count that as a good one, but still pretty good because of the art. Here's its code. Oh, that's some nice art there. What's going on downstairs? Sorry, my camera isn't focusing. open this, right? It's not even a rare. I mean, if you can hear that noise, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Can you open, please? I'm opening it from this side. I'll open it a second. It's not a good sign. Colors flipped, and what's your green one? Trainer, Purple. I don't get much of these evolution packs. I like the evolution because they're all like base set ones. But then again, I never really get anything good out of them. And they're very hard to open. So I've noticed. Let me chop this up. Okay, so I'm guessing we're not getting any EX. But then again, we got a Venus, right? This is a secret rare. Didn't see that number. 112 out of 108. That's a secret rare. Okay. Now we're in business. Whoa. Okay, you need to focus still. I'm done. I'm done. So, in total, we got a secret rare and in Venusaur EX. But then again, we got this really cool art Snorlax. So, you know, it's all fun and games. And I guess we got three good things. One really good art, secret rare, EX. Only thing you could ask for is another EX. But you didn't give that to me. So sad. But yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you want me to do a tour of my Pokemon setup and my gaming / room setup, give me the 50 subscribers and I'll do it. Okay, please like, comment, subscribe. And wait, hold. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.